Quick little analysis on the NQ futures going into tomorrow. So today is the 27th. It's Monday. What I'm looking for here is two things, right? So I'm still waiting for this extended, pullback that I think that the market desperately needs. However, the bulls continue to do what they've been doing. And as long as they continue to do what they've been doing, we have to kind of respect the trend. But if we do start to close outside of 15,974, if we close below that, I'm going to look for a preceding candle to confirm those lows. That's going to be our macro short position that I think we're going to have some room to kind of take this down into the 930s, 940s. To the long side, I'd like to see us start to reclaim 16,024. So we're not too far off of that. What needs to happen? We need to close over 16,024, and then we need a preceding candle to sort of confirm that. Then we've got room back into this 1650 that we were dealing with today, 1664, and then we can start pushing to 1691. But again, if we look at the daily time frame, okay, look at the daily time frame. All we're doing right now is starting to get extremely tight. So what does that mean? We've had a big move up from the bottom going back to the end of October. A big move, okay? We've hit the top of the channel here at around 16,200, 16,017. That's the linear regression channel on the daily time frame. You can see we put in that high. We've essentially been going sideways. The range is very, very small. When we come out of this range, top of the range being 16,091, bottom of the range being 16,934. That is the move you're going to want to be with. Again, do not second guess yourself. Do not overanalyze it. Do not say market can't go lower, market can't go higher. Again, guys, the longer we go sideways in this little small baby range that we're in, the bigger the move is going to be coming out. Now we're riding on this 10-day moving average. If we start to lose yesterday's channel, which is going to be today's channel, if we start to lose those lows of 934, we've got a lot of room down to start backtesting into the 15,500s. Okay. If we start to take out the top of the range, which is 16,100, then we could start testing these upper channels here at around 16,173 and then even 16,273. So stay a little bit more patient. Don't try to chase every move right out of the gate. Understand where your macro levels are at, and that's going to set up your scalps on your smaller time frames. Again, I've been telling everyone a lot lately. Look at your 1 hour chart, guys. How much room do we have on the 1 hour chart intraday? And those are going to be the moves where you're going to want to scalp on your 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute time frames. You don't just want to find areas on the 5 minute or 2 minute time frame and think that you're going to get, this all day move. You have to have space in the macro charts in order for you to have room on the smaller time frame scalping charts. So again, those are the levels. Mark them out on your charts, sit back, let these trades come to you, and you're going to be much better off. Guys, I'm running a little bit of a discount here to join Evolution Traders. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys want to join, I will see all of you guys on the inside. We do live trading there. We have live market commentary, watch list, trading webinars, courses, lessons, so forth and so forth. I'll see all of you guys on the inside, and I'll catch you guys all later on.